here you can see that I got 3 audio clips, and what I want to do is arrange the loudness of each of them to be equal. So right here you can see that the loudness levels are different. Let us hear that out. And you can hear that as the audio clip actually changes, the loudness level increases way beyond what is equal. So now, in order to see the loudness settings of each of the clips right here, we can go over here into the properties panel, and if you don't have properties panel over here, you can simply go to Windows and then choose properties, and this will appear. And for each of the clip under the basic settings of properties, you see the loudness level right here, and right now 0 decibel is the value applied to it. Let me just play it. If I were to click and drag, it increases the audio level of it, as you can hear. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure that the audio levels are equal for all of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click and drag, and I can right click, and over here you can see an option to match clip loudness. So let me just click on that, and over here there are different loudness settings that you can choose from. I tend to stick to the top one right here, and this is the tolerance level, so the decibel that can be up and down. Let me just keep that to 0 itself because I want it to be as perfect as it can be. So the target loudness, this is the decibel value right here, so I'm just going to have something like -6 decibels, and I'm going to press OK. And once you do that, you will be able to see these values right here where the clip has gain applied to it symbol is actually displayed. So for example, in this one, if I were to deselect it and select it again, you can see that 15 decibels have been applied to this. For this one, 5.2 decibels, and for this one, 14.3 decibels. So what it is actually doing is it is increasing the volume according to the audio itself, so that at the end it'll actually just match up. So let us hear if it matches up now. So you can see that this is the audio level. So the audio level matches up, although it is not too perfect. So in this case, this could not be exceeded above 15 decibels right here. So let us try a smaller value right here. So I'm just going to go over here, match clip loudness. I'm just going to say -10, and let's see that out, right? So this is the area. So you can see that the audio loudness is still in this area right here. And the audio level is maintained. So that is how you can match loudness between clips in Adobe Audition. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.